Made with just a few fresh ingredients, this drink helps your body detox, digest, and renew every single day. First, we're gonna need 1 cucumber. Cucumbers contain liver-soothing compounds and anti-inflammatory antioxidants that protect the liver from stress and toxins. They also help stimulate bile production, which is key for breaking down fats and flushing waste. Next is avocado. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant your liver uses to neutralize toxins and repair damage. They also help your body absorb nutrients better, so your liver and intestines get exactly what they need. Now we're gonna take 1 green apple. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that helps sweep heavy metals and waste out of your intestines, making your gut feel lighter and cleaner. They also contain malic acid, which helps open the bile ducts and supports smoother liver detox. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a world to me to see you in our community. Now we're gonna need a piece of fresh ginger. This root has been used in Chinese medicine for centuries. Why? Because it stimulates digestion, increases bile flow, and reduces inflammation in both the liver and the gut. Squeeze a half of a lemon. Lemon helps activate liver enzymes and is full of vitamin C, which boosts your body's ability to cleanse itself. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Blend everything together until smooth. Before I explain to you how to use this drink, just a quick note. This video is not a medical advice. If you have any health issues or if you are hypersensitive to any of these ingredients, please consult with your doctor before trying this. Drink 1 glass in the morning on an empty stomach. Also add a tablespoon of honey for better taste. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I see you in the next one.